success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Welcome, my dear audience. I am Simran, welcoming you on the Success Stories talk show presented by Trident Communication. I would like to introduce you to our guest for today, Mr. Gaurav Gupta. He is a philanthropist and belongs to a renowned and a reputed business family of Delhi. The last three generations from family have served for many societies in many ways. He is the charter president in Lions Club Delhi Wedge, president Rajasthani Academy, treasurer India Council for Human Relations, and connected with few other organizations. Welcome to our show, Gauravji. To our show, Gauravji.
Good evening, ji. Namaskar.
It was our pleasure to have you on our show.
It's my pleasure to.
So, Gauravji, tell us something about yourself and your journey.
Basically, networking and socializing is my passion. I am into business and you can say I am social entrepreneur. I am into philanthropy, doing a lot of social activities, and it is part of my journey.
Okay. So, like in COVID-19, people are so depressed and helpless. Like, how did you motivate them, and how, like, what got you to do that?
We are blessed to have a good members team, networking team. I am part of Rajasthani Academy, charter president of Lions Club. So when the lockdown was declared in the March, in 1 week we have come to know the government's efforts are not truly helpful for everybody. There are a lot of people who are starving for food. They need really help. So we started day one, after 1 week only, we started a kitchen in near Karol Bagh, and daily we had a food distribution from there. So for past 3 months, till July we did a food distribution, and apart from that we started our Zoom meetings. When we saw people are depressed at home, sitting alone, they are feeling depressed. So we took all the initiative, which programs we used to do physically, we did on Zoom. Like all the national day, international days, and like all important days we celebrated. Name the few, like our May Day, Health Day, Buddha Purnima, Africa Day, World Youth Day, International Peace Day. Other than Indian festival like Teej Festival, Janmashtami, we also organized Rajasthani Dance Festival on the Zoom only. So it was good to involve all the kind of people, all sphere of people from all walk of life.
तो गौरव जी, आपको ये सब करने के लिए इंस्पायर किसने किया?
Inspiration it is from within only. Actually, we are blessed to born and brought up in the family where our grandfather, our father, our whole family is into social work. From we have seen since our childhood. So whenever there is something and there is need of society, so we are always there. So, and this was a very unique, very strange need, and for the first time in our history, we saw this kind of pandemic, this kind of the need. So we try to do that. Apart from that food distribution, we try to give them the masks, sanitizers, and the PPE kit also. And there were hospitals who cannot afford the PPE kit. So we made especially arrange for them the washable, reusable PPE kit. So this kind of small activities we are involved and we are doing since for past 5-6 months, and we hope this will end soon and everybody will be back to the normal life.
So I can see how kind and compassionate you are amongst citizens over there who need help. Very positive and very kind of you, Gauravji. So, like how people get involved in your social work and in your webinizers?
We got people from all walks of life. We have our members from Rajasthani Academy, Lions Club. They contributed financially or they are voluntarily. We could not go to each and every place, but the people are there. When we got the requirement for the food, they try to distribute. Our Bikaner Wala, our Mr. Ashok Kothari ji, Aruna Oswalji. There are a lot of people, you can name many, who have supported us in many ways. So we got distributed them the sanitary pads also, and there are the Panjan Trust and many local bodies who have come forward to support us. And in the webinars, we got the support from the Member of Parliament, some ministers, all ambassadors, diplomats, and they are all Dharam Gurus like Bhikkhu Ji from Ladakh, sister from Brahma Kumari Ji, Lokesh Muni Ji, Imam Saab. They are all ready to motivate. We have got a bunch of motivational speakers. Other than that, we started a series of relevance of Bhagavad Gita, because the ladies and gents who are sitting alone at home, and we are doing for last 15 weeks continuously relevance of Bhagavad Gita today on every Saturday 11 a.m. So it is also a very successful series, and everybody taking a part actively. Apart from that, we are inviting the yoga gurus, naturopathic gurus, and different Ayurveda doctors. And other than that, we got the COVID specialist doctor like Dr. K.K. Agarwal, Dr. Wali, who was Padam Shri and Dr. to President of India, Dr. Beniwal, Dr. Subhang, Dr. Lakotia, many doctors who have supported us from day one. And we are keep organizing webinars for the students, parents, principals, and different people.
देखा जा रहा है आप लोगों की बेटरमेंट के लिए बहुत अच्छे इनिशिएटिव लेते जा रहे हैं जो एक्चुअली लोगों की हेल्प करेंगे. बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो आप इतनी सारे कामों में इन्वॉल्व्ड है, लाइक बहुत सारे जैसे आपके वेबिनार्स है, सोशल वर्क है, आप इन सब में इन्वॉल्व्ड है. तो आप अपनी फैमिली को टाइम देना कैसे मैनेज कर पाते, लाइक अपनी फैमिली के साथ कैसे मैनेज कर पाते ये काम और फैमिली?
Now it is a Zoom meetings only. 99% we are doing Zoom meeting. Only one program we did 10 days before a book launch where I was physically present. So it is the best time in our life we got to spend with the family. From April only we are with our family. From March, sorry, we are with family only, enjoying home food, company of each other, and doing all the homework together. So my two sons, my wife, we are all together. And in the Zoom meeting also, whenever the requirement, even my son helped me to be familiar with the Zoom because it's a new thing for us. So my wife also takes part in some Zoom meetings like this festival. She did a dance performance in Janmashtami festival also. So it is a family time also. We are enjoying the time.
Acha, so that's really nice of that you are managing your family and business so well. So what does true success means to you?
Success is nothing. It is just a feeling. It is feeling of contentment. If you are satisfied, you are feeling self-contented, you are successful. And there is no end to any success. There is no any goal. We have not done much. So it is lot of things to be done. We are on a path of doing many work, you can say.
Okay, that's really positive of you. How do you plan to give this success back to the society, to help socially, like to help people?
We are social animal. We are involved. Nobody can dream of doing anything alone. This is our responsibility to do something for the society. By not only by the money, by your effort, by your knowledge, by your doing good acts, good deeds to society. It is giving time. It is time to giving back to the society. So we feel like blessed and proud to we are able to do something for our society.
Okay, that's really nice. So, how do you feel? How do you feel about getting associated with Trident Communications?
It's giving a great feeling because it is an international organization working in UK, and we did last year also an award ceremony, and we are planning to do more ceremony. When you are doing some good work and you got recognition from some bodies like Trident Communication, it is giving you a feeling of proud and success also. And apart from that, I got an International Book of Record award also for packing the maximum food packets in 1 hour for our society. So this kind of accolades, this kind of appreciation from the society, from the organization like Trident is really helpful and fruitful and satisfactory.
ओके, तो गौरव जी, क्या आपके माइंड में कोई ऐसी हस्ती है जिसके जैसा आप बनना चाहते हो कि आई वांट टू बिकम लाइक हिम और हर, कोई ऐसा इंसान?
I admire everybody, but I have never made any role model in my life. I feel like doing good because no one is perfect in this world. If anybody I want to see, I make a guru, then I see some flaws in that, then it will be disappointing. Even I am not 100% correct. Maybe I have many flaws in my life. I want to be a normal, successful person, a satisfied person who can do something good for the society. Uh, I want to take every good thing from each and everybody.
You have a very down to earth thinking. That's really good. Okay, so what do you think about today's youth? And आप आज की youth को क्या message देना चाहेंगे?
Today's youth is more intelligent and more adaptable, and they are doing really great in this pandemic. Also, they are doing what best possible they can do. I have seen many youth, they are doing different innovative things at the home. Even my son, we have never seen him cooking. He started cooking. He made us tried some different dishes. So the youth is very creative, and from this pandemic also they must have learnt a lot, because in our last 50 years, so you can say 100 years after Spanish flu, there was not a big pandemic ever. So it is a learning for us also and the youth also, and they will take to survive. They will take it as a positive, and it is a matter of survival. And I was hearing Dr. K. Agarwal last week only. He said this pandemic is a boon also, because everybody is cautious about their health, because this is a fight of immunity. Because whosoever is fit and fine, he will fight this coronavirus very easily. So this is a new lesson for the society. Put more stress to your health, give more time to your health, good health and good food. People are going back to the roots. They are taking the natural food. They are going to the walk. Even the cycling, you say daily roads are in the morning. The maximum sale of cycle has been done in last 2-3 months, and everybody is on the road in the morning on the cycling. So it is a good lesson and good learning for the not only for the youth, for everybody.
हाँ जी, तो आप हमारी लास्ट क्वेश्चन कि आप हमारी व्यूअर्स को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे इस कोविड-19 के टाइम पे?
कोविड-19 के टाइम जैसे शुरू से कहते हैं, लेट अस स्टे पॉजिटिव, टेक ऑल द गुड थिंग्स विद अस एंड bury the bad or remove the bad. Don't take everything which is coming to us in our history. It is giving us a lesson. Take it as a lesson only, and we should be a better person. We should make a better world from this. We should put the end to all the negativity. Even it is in your body, it is in your environment. And this COVID has bring your environment at no pollution. No, there was no pollution. The roads were cleaner. The air was cleaner. The rivers, which we were struggling for last many years to get it clean, Ganga is got the cleanest in last 150 years, you can say. So this is the lesson for us to learn from everything, and let us give a break to the nature also. We should change our lifestyle basically. Do not put much stress on your life, your nature and your environment.
That was a really positive and a very inspiring message to the viewers. So thank you, Gaurav ji, for joining us today. It was a wonderful talking to you.
Thank you. It is my pleasure, and wish you all success and COVID-free world. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So viewers, this was our guest Gaurav Gupta, an entrepreneur and a social activist who shows his success stories with us. Stay tuned for more stories. Thank you, Gaurav ji. Bye.
Thank you.